We're now going to cover the head, tail, and nth group by methods. So these are actually pretty interesting. So we're going to get that group by data frame object. Right, so it's already been grouped. And if we call head on here and do the first 2 rows, this will return the first 2 rows of every group. So if there's 9 groups, this will be 18 rows in the result. And it keeps the original order, so it doesn't group them together, as you can see over here. So here's public protection. Here's the first row in that group. Here's the second row, but there is another row before it. The index can kind of tell you where they are located in the data frame, so it keeps its original index. So that is pretty cool. You can do tail over here. We can do, if we just leave it blank, it'll be 5. So these are the last 5 rows of every group in the order that they appear. You can do a series group by. So G series, that was our object for the group by series. We do tail over here. Let's look at the, for a series, the last 3 rows of every group. Now it's difficult to see. We don't actually have the group over here in the index, but you could go back and use these indices to tell where they are in the original data frame. But these are the last 3 by group. The nth, I really like the nth. GDF.nth. This allows you to choose very specific rows in your group. So you can say, all right, I want the 10th and 15th rows. Really, this is really integer location. This is really the 11th and the 16th. But you can choose as many as you want, say 10, 15, and 20. So this time, the result is a little bit different. It does put the group in the index, so it, interestingly, that's just how it works. It doesn't preserve it like it did before with head and tail. So this is row 10, 15, and 20, integer location 10, 15, and 20 for this particular group, and then for all of the others like that. So pretty cool. If you want to get very specific rows, you can use -1, right, to get the last row in a particular group. So nth works like that. Very nice. So that is actually it for the head, tail, and nth group by methods.